How to add items to cart in Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. So this is the place where you can browse through different products. So here you can scroll down and select the products that you're looking. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, the detailed page will pop up. So this is the place where you can know every detail about this product. Now, if you slowly scroll down, here there's a section called Add to Cart. Simply tap on Add to Cart. Now it will take some time and this has been added to your cart. So as you can see, this is the cart section. Here you can find every cart items and the things that you have ordered. Here on the right bottom, if you want to check it out, simply tap on Cart and here all the products and details will pop up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.